Hello and welcome to Flaneur Trade. Today we're setting out to discover one of the most fascinating secrets of the financial world, the history of options. On this journey that stretches back thousands of years to the warm lands of ancient Greece, we'll see how taking risks and predicting the future created a revolution. Are you ready? Our story begins around 600 BC in Miletus, the heart of ancient Greece. In that era, there was a philosopher named Thales, known for his wisdom. Thales took bold steps, not only in the world of thought, but also in commerce. One day, based on his observations, he predicted that the upcoming olive harvest would be much more bountiful than usual. At that time, olive presses were of great importance during the harvest season, but they were almost useless in the winter and could be rented at a low cost. Thales took action to turn this situation into an opportunity. He rented the olive presses at a low price, predicting that demand would skyrocket during the harvest, and then leased them out again at a high price. By doing this, he invested today in a future event, essentially creating a primitive example of the modern call option concept. In short, Thales applied the early bird gets the worm principle, taking a clever position against an uncertain future. Moving on to the Middle Ages, maritime trade was a mix of excitement and danger. Storms, pirate attacks, and the unknown forced merchants to take precautions against risks. It was during this period that merchants, to protect their ships and goods, made advance agreements against future price fluctuations, conducting transactions similar to insurance. This early form of risk management was a method that reflected the fundamental logic of options. In 17th century Holland, the Tulip Mania was like a theatre of the financial world. The prices of tulip bulbs soared to such heights that merchants began to make speculative contracts on future price movements. This period showcases a time when both opportunities and great risks were intertwined. In 1973, modern options markets were born. With the establishment of the Chicago Board Options Exchange, option contracts became standardized, and the Black-Scholes model, developed in the same year, revolutionized the mathematical valuation of options. Thus, a systematic approach to the uncertain future was developed. Coming to the present day, thanks to the innovations of the digital age, access to crypto options is now available through platforms like Deribit. The ability to create large strategic positions with small investments offers a modern version of ancient wisdom. In summary, the history of options teaches us this. The key to dealing with the uncertainties of the future lies in applying the right strategy at the right time. From ancient Greece to medieval merchants, from the Dutch Tulip Mania to the revolutionary steps of modern finance, risk, when managed wisely, transforms into great profit. And today, we carry these strategies into the digital age with the dynamism of the crypto world. Share what you think about this historical journey in our video in the comments below. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. In future videos, we will continue to delve into the depths of option strategies. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.